Hello everyone, welcome to Chaudhary Datable channel. Today I am here with a new video on we are having different sub options that are date only and then parse into this particular transform ribbon. We will be watching both these options into this video, what the functionality is. So let's get started with the video. Here, for demonstration purpose, I have already taken one table. In this table, we will be applying first date only and then parse. So right now this parse is not visible. That means it's fade out, right? It is not applicable on this column. So we will be watching that why this particular option is not applicable right now into this column, and then we will be watching this date only. So date only, it's nothing but whatever, suppose you are having a long string into your column that is containing date and then time, something like that, date time combination. If you are having that combination, let me change it to suppose home and then data type to date time. Add a new step. You can see that we are having all these date and time available here now. Now let me apply that same thing, that is date only. You will see that it will just remove that time thing from this whole column. It will just keep date. You can see it exactly went same, right? Now this is pretty straightforward. I will just change it back and I will show you another option, that is of parse. It's nothing but, as you have already seen in my previous videos, that I was parsing JSON XML. Similarly here it is to be parsed with date. Suppose you are having a column which is containing a long string. That means it is a text column, and if you want to pull out date values from that particular column, you will be going through this particular option of parse. I will show you how you can apply over it. So right now, suppose this source was the sample code column, it was of text data type. Now you are having two options to convert this sample code column to date column, that is by having parse. We will parse from that text. Right now it is text, okay, we can parse it from text, but it is not the best practice to parse from this text. We need to go on home, and if we will click on data type and then date, it will be the best practice for anyone. So either you can go here, or else you are having the option of parse here now enabled. Now if you will click on parse, you will see that, let me change delete its type. Now you can see that is parsed here, and that is parsed, and that date is pulled out from that whole text. Okay, so this is how it works. Let me show you another versatility in this example. Suppose I am writing down something is today's date. Okay, so now this particular column with this particular row, it is containing date also, date value also, and then some text as well. So in combination, whole this column is of text column. So we will be watching how this is this particular Power BI is able or intelligent to parse this date from this whole column. So let me click OK and change data type. Now I will just go here and parse. It is throwing you error, data we couldn't parse input provided as date time zone value. So basically it is telling you that you can't parse, since it is containing some other text values other than date time zone, date and time zone. If you will pass some combination of date time also, it will be able to pass. If you are passing some other characters, like I demonstrated you right now, that I have passed some other input text, so it is not able to pass that, right? So you should keep in mind that it will be something that is suppose it is more likely to be date, if you are having some knowledge that if it is something like date or date time combination, then you can go ahead with this option of parsing. So hope this is these all options are clear to you. Now in upcoming videos we will be watching these options, and stay tuned to the channel. I will be coming up with all these videos, and thank you so much for watching, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next videos.